Being a clinician means more than just being in the office and just doing your charts. It's really about being collegial, about knowing the others in your group, your sharing of patients and sharing of educational opportunities. And that's what being part of Mercy Health Physicians is.
It's extremely welcoming. The people are fantastic.
Be able to actually immerse myself into the people and the culture of West Cincinnati has been a very special treat for me.
One of the things that's unique about us in our communities is that we are partners with our community. You're part of schools, you're part of sidelines, you're part of public health. So when you come, expect to not just be in the hospital. Expect to be in your community.
Cincinnati it's almost like a best kept secret.
Oh, I think it's one of the most underrated cities in America, having lived in both LA and New York.
It's certainly a big city with more than 1 million plus people in the greater Cincinnati area, yet it has a very small city feel to it.
It really is a community where you get to know and trust your neighbors.
So I have kids, 11 and 12, and so we're park hoppers. Cincinnati has a ton of parks.
We love going to the river's edge and checking out the sights and sounds of the parks around that area.
Take my kids to the zoo on weekends or to take my kids to the aquarium.
Cincinnati is a great place to raise a family.
The other thing that really impressed us about this city is the caliber of the schools, and I'm even talking about public education where it's actually nationally ranked.
There's a little bit of everything, whether it's arts, music, restaurants.
Different festivals and fairs and sports events. It's outstanding.
I am particularly involved in the performing arts. Restaurant scene is very important to me here as well.
A lot of major sports teams.
My neighbor actually has a season pass for the FC Cincinnati, and so whenever he wasn't going, I got free tickets to go as well.
There's a little bit of something for everybody.
The biggest perk of Mercy, besides the providers, is the administration. Honestly, anything I need, any issues I have, their door is always open to me.
I can go and knock on the door of my hospital president and walk in and say hello and have a conversation.
There's more flexibility that comes with being a slightly smaller institution, and there's a closeness to the collaboration with administration that really helps to facilitate all of that.
As far as Mercy West is concerned, when I came here, one of the things that really impressed me was the fact that they gave me full permission to tailor my clinical practice to what I thought was going to be best for my patients.
When you think of it, you can do it. We just want to foster that kind of person to be able to have that environment where you can do what you think is the right thing to do, and we're going to help you do that.
The hospital, I think, does a very good job of ensuring that physicians have a good work-life balance.
It says family medicine on the door for a reason. We also value our own time at home with our families, and we respect that time.
Job sharing is something that we've implemented, offering that time for you to take a moment with your family and take that personal time and then come back to work with the understanding and the comfort that your patients are still being cared for by that individual you're partnering with in that job share.
There's a stress on both physical and mental health.
The Health Flex, they provide childcare. They have every single thing. They have swimming, basketball, racquetball, weights. They have an indoor track. Anything and everything you could need. It is literally right across the street.
The folks that we endeavor to attract could go anywhere they want to. And they choose here because of the variety, because of the people, and because of the opportunity.
I've really been touched and felt very much supported by folks here.
People that I've worked with and that I'm working with day to day has really made my professional life really enjoyable, and it's made it a really nice place to work, and in turn that's made it a really nice place to live.
I can honestly say that this has probably been the best experience in a hospital that I've ever had.